Projects are websites, and you create a new project from the dashboard by going to create a new project and select website and landing page. Next to this, you will observe that you have pop-ups and alerts, which are external pop-ups, and stories. We are interested in website and landing page. Select create, and this will create a new website project for you and populate it here within the dashboard. It gives a new project name which you can change, and simply click on edit to enter the builder and begin working on your project. You have all the sorting options here at the top. If you only want to view the projects, your websites, you select here websites, and more filter options on the right from the drop down between most recent projects, sort them alphabetically or by the date they've been created.